Hi, I'm Mariana Boccia, I'm a floral designer, and we just received these flowers, with these fresh flowers, so we better take care of them, okay? We have Vendela color, we have Symbol and Fruteto. Let's see. You receive your flowers, they always have this maybe carton or paper. That's for the humidity, but the first thing when you receive them is to take it out. You definitely want them to clean them and put it in water. Just, cold water I like. And you also take out the leaves so you can start working on them. You can also use this tool that we as florists have. It's very like a silicone tool, and it helps you to clean your leaves. In the case of the roses, I don't like to take them, all of them, honestly. So when you're ready, let's say we took out the leaves, right? Say that, and we see if we need to take out some petals that in the transportation they are not like perfect. You cut it in diagonal, and well, you cut it depend on the vase or how do you going to use it. We're just going to place them there because there are flowers that we are going to add on in our dry bouquet. So in this case, I'm just taking care of them because we just received them. Let's do very quick this, and then we go really fast with the other colors, okay? So I hope you understand. You take out the leaves, petals, you cut diagonal, and you place them in cold water. Sometimes you can have maybe the glucose that we use, the food for our roses or flowers, we call it like that, the food, so they last a little longer. We keep going doing dry flower arrangements for your home or maybe for your clients. So anyways, we just finished preparing our fresh flowers. We basically repeat the same process we did with the Vendela rose for the Symbol roses and the Fruteto. I'm not sure the height that I will need for my arrangement. That's why I just cut them any height, and I placed it in the space that I had. But we repeat the same process you saw. We clean them, we prepare them, we took out the leaves, and we place it in cold water. So remember, this is just an option for your dry flowers to add some natural flowers, but it's just an option. The product that DP Flowers has here, this is how you will receive your bunch. This is the yellow color. It's a monochromatic style. You just take out your paper, okay? You choose your vase, or maybe you want to do it in a bouquet. Later on, I'm going to show you how to arrange it in just a bouquet without vase. This is how you receive your product. You think it's not much, but you will see it's a lot of product. It's very, it has 6 types of flowers. So you have Broom, which is this one. You can always, when you receive, the first thing is to open up your flowers. So you have Broom, you can keep going and open them. So you will see it's many stems. This is Broom dry flower. We have Phalaris. Here we have mushroom heads in yellow color. We have the ponytail, the broad, and the Nigella Orientalis. So the first thing, you receive your bouquet with dry flowers. They come from Italy. They all DP flowers come from Italy. So you open them, you place them and you start playing with flowers, because today we're going to do a new design. This is a circular round base that I have, and again I have the foam. This is for dry flowers. If you have it available for you, that's fine. If you don't, you can use chicken wire, which is a good option. Let me try something here. I'm thinking about doing maybe like starting with a base, and then we go up as a scale. It could be very, very nice, okay? So we decide the height we want. The idea with this product is that you do it yourself, and that's what we are going to be working on for these dried flowers. Maybe it's like your home flowers, and it's a very easy to follow way, because we basically send your different type of flowers and seeds type of flowers, so you can play around and do your own design. I like this one. It looks so natural. I like it. You can play and mix and have many options. It's very easy. Some people doesn't feel confident working with them, but it's very easy, and you will see how beautiful it ends up doing. So I hope you enjoy arranging your bouquet or your floral arrangement as much as I do. It's a moment with you. Very therapeutic, very nice. These are the ponytails I was saying. Maybe a way to cover your foam, in case you use a foam as I did, is with this born. It's the best option we have to cover. But we will see at the end, because I want to do a scale. So I think this is going to cover what we need to cover. So no worries. You can try what I'm doing, or you can try your own style. But it's very nice. It's incredible how much you can do with just those seeds type of flowers, because we are going to do it with all of their colors, and you will see how different they all are from one another. And that's a great thing, right? You can always get so creative. This at the end, we will use it to fill in the foam, so we don't see it. And it's very easy. It will not take much. Just like 10 minutes, your time, maybe more, whatever. This product is amazing. Trust me, I have worked with many, and this one is just perfect. And it lasts, it has bright colors. They have 10 different colors right now. This is just to give you an idea. Remember, you can use your creativity, your own style. It's to give you an idea the ways to do it with basically the same product, seeds type of flowers. That dry flowers from DP Flowers are very incredible. Remember, you can open them if you feel like it, if you need some space. You can mix and play. You can find them in their website, dpflowers.com. You can go there and see all that they have, they offer. And I know them, and they keep adding. It's amazing. Different type of shapes and colors. So you go online and order them, and they send it world nationwide, like in the whole US. You can get to receive your products. Let's see. What do you think? Let's add some natural flower. This is not the foam for natural flowers. This is for dry flowers. But you need to add water. I think it's going to look very nice in case you have them. It's just an option, you see? I'm going to show you. This arrangement, even adding these white flowers, is still a monochromatic because whites are neutral, so still monochromatic. I want to add it here in the front. So with your water or your oasis, you can add your fresh blooms as an option. I think I like it here. For me, like even with only dry flowers looks incredible, in my opinion. But if you have fresh flowers and a special occasion, maybe it's the time to see how it looks and to try. So I think I'm going to stop here because we're going to keep creating, but see, it looks very beautiful in my opinion. If you think maybe you want to cover more the front, you can do so. Maybe adding some baby breath, something you have handled, maybe some greenery is also good because this base is very white. But I mean, looks incredible, hope you like it. And this one-faced arrangement with dry flowers and some fresh roses.